Yes, I'm intolerant to intolerance and hate hatred. But I did that as a child, but I think the main thing, of course, as someone travels, I mean, I've been to 48 of the 50 states. I've been in Canada, I've been in Mexico. I've traveled across a lot of Europe, not all. I think as you're exposed to people, if you're open to them and to their cultures, their histories, their backgrounds, that you start to realize you're just part of one human family. And I guess it just happened to be Vilnius for me as far as the library because of the history here. I mean, both the positive and the negative. I mean, I wished the Holocaust never happened. I wish there was no need for this library. I wish that this thought never even would have had to enter my mind. There would have been no Holocaust. There would have just been lots of Jews here, and they would just be doing whatever they're doing these days. You know, I would love that to happen, but it didn't, unfortunately. And Lithuania was the place where the greatest percentage of Jews were killed. It's not good. And lots of Lithuanians did help in the murder of the Jews. But also I have to look at the fact that now the library is open and the government did spend a lot of money to open it. And some people say it's a public relations sham. They want to sit there and, I guess, pour all this money in and open the library. At the same time, they're really anti-Semitic. And so here's our front, you know, here's the Jewish library and these other Jewish institutions, but really behind the wall, we're all anti-Semitic and, yeah, well, yeah, there's anti-Semitism here in Lithuania, but I think you can find that in pretty much every country, unfortunately. Even in the United States, there are some there's anti-Semites in Israel. I mean, come on. There are anti-Semites everywhere, and I don't like it. I wish there was not one. I'd love that all their minds can be changed, but so you just sit there and go, okay, there are anti-Semitic elements in Lithuania, even some in the government. I don't deny that. I wish they were not here. I think they should be booted out of office, but I have no control over that. But this is the first real Jewish public library in Lithuania in 68 years. Okay, I know things are still not perfect in Lithuania. But do we wait for the perfect moment to open the library?